Hi all, welcome to Shilpa's Math classes. Today we are going to discuss about how can you find the LCM and HCF of numbers. So LCM means least common multiple, and HCF is highest common factor, highest common factor. We can begin with a smaller example. LCM of 3 and 4. LCM means least common multiple. So we have to list multiples of 3 and 4. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, and so on. Similarly, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. So can you see any common numbers here? Yes, 12 is common, is it? So if there was one more common multiple, you have to take the smallest one among them. So here the smallest one is 12. So the answer is 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Okay, then I will show another example. LCM of 4 and 8. So when we have to list the multiples of 4, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. Then multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, etc. Is it? So we can see many common numbers here. 8, then next one 16, then 24. But we have to pick the smallest one. So the smallest one is 8. So the answer is 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 8. Then we can check how can we find HCF. So HCF means highest common factor. So we can do one question for HCF of 10 and 50. So we have to take the factors of 10. So factors of 10 means the numbers, two numbers, when we multiply them, we will get 10. For example, 1 into 10, 10. So 1 and 10 are factors of 10. Similarly, 2 into 5, 10. So 2 and 5 are factors of 10. So 1, 10. 1 into 10, 10. So 1 and 10 are factors of 10. Again, 2, 5. 2 into 5, 10. 2 and 5 are factors of 10. Then next, factors of 15. 1 into 15 is 15. Also, 3 into 5 is also 15. So, can you see any common factors here? Yes, 1 and 5. So, which one is the highest? The highest one is 5. So, highest common factor of 10 and 15 is equal to 5. Okay, we can check another example. Um, 4 HCF of 4 comma 8. So we can list the factors of 4 first. Factors of 4 are 1 into 4, 4. So that's a pair. Then 2 into 2, 4. There's only a we need to write it only once. So 2. Then next, factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1 into 8, 8. Then 4 into 2, 8. Is it? So we can see three common factors. 1, 2, and 4. So which one is the highest? Highest one is 4. So HCF of 4 and 8 is equal to 4. Okay. So actually, when the numbers are small, it's easy to list their multiples or factors like this. So when we get big numbers, there is another method, that is ladder diagram method. Next we can check that. So I think you understood what is LCM and HCF. So next we can learn what is ladder diagram method of finding LCM and HCF. So we can take one example. Find LCM and HCF of 48 and 64. So it's very difficult to write the multiples of 48 and 64. So first write the numbers with commas. Then put a symbol like this. Looks like a ladder, so it's known as ladder diagram. So check whether there is any common factors for 48 and 64. Yes, both are even numbers. So both of them are divisible by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24 and 64 divided by 2 is 32. Is it? Then again check whether these two numbers have any common factors. Yes, both are even numbers, so it's again divisible by 2. 24 divided by 2, 12. 32 divided by 2, 16. Again, both of them are divisible by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. And 16 divided by 2, 8. So, again, 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. And 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, so HCF will be a product of these numbers on the left hand side. Okay, right. HCF. Then LCM will be product of all these numbers. LCM will be product of all these numbers. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Then LCM will be 16 into 3 into 4. So 16 into 3, 48. 48 into 4. That is 192. So LCM is equal to 192. Okay. So HCF of 48 and 64 is 16 and LCM of 48 and 64 is 192. Okay, we can check another example. Another example. LCM and HCF of 75 and 125. So 75 comma 125. Then like this. Check whether these two numbers have any common factors. Yeah, we can see that the ones place digit is 5. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So 75 divided by 5 is 15. 125 divided by 5 is 25. Again, both numbers are divisible by 5. So write 5 here. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now these two numbers have no haven't any common factor, so we can stop here. So HCF will be product of these two numbers. HCF is equal to 5 into the numbers on the left side. So 5 into 5, 25. LCM will be the product of all of these numbers. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 3, 75. Then 75 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 7 into 5, 35 plus 2, 37. So the answer is 375. Okay. I will show another example. LCM and HCF of You can take two big numbers, 240 and 360. Okay, we can write the numbers 240 and 360. And we know both numbers are divisible by 10. We can take any common factor. So 10. So 240 divided by 10 is 24. 360 divided by 10 is 36. Again, both of them are divisible by 2. So 24 divided by 2, 12. 36 divided by 2, 18. Again, 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. So 12, so write 2 here. 12 divided by 2, 6. 8 divided by 2, 9. Now 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3. So there is no common factors for 2 and 3. So we can stop here. So HCF will be the product of these numbers. HCF is equal to 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 3, 120. So HCF is equal to 120. Then LCM will be product of all these numbers. 120 into 2, 240, 240 into 3, 240 into 3, 4 into 3, 12, 3 into 2, 72. So LCM will be 720. Okay. I will show one more example. Okay, we can do one more example. LCM and HCF of 80 and 150. So 80 comma 150. Both numbers are divisible by 10. Yeah, 10. So 80 divided by 10, 8. 150 divided by 10, 15. So the HCF is, we have only one number here. So HCF is 10. Then LCM is equal to 10 times 8, 80. 80 times 15. So 4,200. So 1,200 is the LCM. Okay, what if the numbers have no common factors? For example, LCM and HCF of um, okay, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So just write 4 and 5. They don't have any common factors. So we can write 1 here. Then 4 divided by 1, 4. 5 divided by 1, 5. Is it? So the HCF, highest common factor, is 1. And LCM is 1 into 4 into 5. That is 20. LCM is 20. Is it? I will show another example. One more example. LCM and HCF of 5 comma 7. So 5 comma 7, they don't have any common factors. So 1, 5, 7. So HCF is 1 and LCM is 5 into 7, 35. So if they don't have any common factors, LCM will be product of the numbers and HCF will be 1. Okay. Hope the lesson is clear. See you in the next class. Bye.